Hi ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to expand our image. One of the easiest way to expand our backdrop in Adobe Photo. Without wasting much time, let's head straight to the tutorial. So what we'll do next now is to create a duplicate of the image here. So we hold on it and drag it to the plus button here to duplicate the picture. Now we go to the toolbar here and choose our lasso tool. So we do a selection of the model and also some part of um, the backdrop. So now what we'll do next is go to select and invert. Now invert is selected. We go to edit and we choose content aware fill. Now content aware fill is doing much great work, so we wait for it to do it. Now that's the preview here. If you can see it, that's the preview of how our backdrop is going to look like. So you come to the output, we choose our current layer and then we apply. Now you can see our backdrop is filled or is expanded, so we hit on Control and D to deselect it. Now you can see our backdrop is expanded, but width, you can see the picture is very small and closed. Let's expand it. This is a bonus for you. So we go to image and we come to canvas size. You can see we are in pixels. Now let's change it to percentage and then let's change the width to 150. So you can see 150. Well, now you can see our canvas is expanded here, if you can see it. So we are going to use the same process again. So we choose our lasso tool, select the backdrop again. Now we go to select and invest. We go back to edit and we hit on content aware fill. So now you can see the outcome. So we hit on apply and OK. So now you can see how our backdrop is expanded very nicely. So we hit on Control plus D to deselect it and you can see how our backdrop is expanded. Now wait, you can see the color of this side. Some reds are here, you can see. So what we'll do is choose our patch to select this side and pull it to where we want it. So you can see now our backdrop is filled and also expanded very nicely. Thanks for watching. If at all you like the video, please share, comment and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that we'll get motivated and also get recommended to bring you more of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.